So after a person have implemented this presence of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, praised Allah, being thankful to Allah what He has already given you, recited the Durood Sharif. Now this is like, for example, you can say, oh Allah, I can only make the mental image because we are weak. We can only say things, we can imagine. I want that house, I want that car, I want this blessing, I want this child, I want this baby. At least you know you have the power to create that in your mind. So your mind is in the presence of Allah Azza wa Jal. Your mind is showing Allah what you want. And if your mind is heedless and the tongue is speaking, as I said, Rasulullah said, Allah does not pay attention to a heedless hand. So saying, Ya Rabbal Alameen, I have, you are doing with the tongue, speaking with the tongue, making the mental image, yeah, that's what I want. Now all Allah has to do is say is be, and that can become a reality. So a person should be in this mind frame until a person can see the physical change appearing. So car, whatever. Now there's nothing wrong with that. Why I want a car. Anything lawful you ask from Allah. Even Jannah. Jannah is highest level of qualities, highest level of people, beauty, cars, things, houses. So Allah wants us to have the best. The religion wants us to give the best of the thing. The dunya wants to destroy us. What is Jannah? It's the best of the houses, best of the spouses, best of the life. Allah wants you to all be queens of your own paradise. And for the brothers, the king of their own Jannah. Yahan to is temporal. Look, the queen died, now she lived almost 100 years. Person have to actually go from this world. The king already is in 70s when he became king. So what will he enjoy of kingship? As such. Dunya, this is the reality of dunya. There you are all young, you are all forever and things. That's what Allah Azza wa Jal. So dunya as well, you ask Allah Azza wa Jal for lawful things, that's good. Oh Allah, I can only make the mental image what I want. Please make this image of mine in reality by your power. A person can think about family or whatever, etc. Health, spirituality. One person came to me, he said, I really find very hard to pray. I said, I find you easy. What's the hardship? I said, hey, I can't pray, I like this and such. I said, the easiest thing I can find for you is lying on your bed and in your thoughts actually do wudu and actually pray the full prayer. This is your muraqabah, this is your exercise mentally. So do this actually. What can be easier more than that? And inshallah you will have tawfiq for the other prayers and physical. Because you see, even a person, you want to be good or spiritual or whatever, at least mentally, by heart, think about that, live that reality in your mind and ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for actually to become it a reality. So you will find, it's like athletes do this. They, you see, mentally this, I am fighting, I am running this, and then actually they do, because that has effect even actually on reality.